Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So happy to have you back. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this easy pinky spring look. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Primer, I'm going to use this to prime my whole face, and I'm just going to apply it with a wet beauty blender. I'm going to go one step further and use the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser just to apply it on the places where I have really big pores to make our skin super flawless and pore free. So Mother Nature did not do me well this month, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium Honey and just kind of spot conceal everywhere where I have some redness and some blemishes. I just let it sit on my face for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead with my Morphe M173 brush and just kind of diffuse that into the skin. For foundation, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation and also my Maybelline Superstay foundation. I really love this combo because both foundations are really awesome on their own, but when I mix them, it's just like, oh my god, the best cocktail. So I just go and put a really thin amount on my face, and I'm using a wet beauty blender. For concealer today, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C7. I am obsessed with this concealer. It's $6 and it's unreal. So if you guys are looking for a new concealer, go and pick this one up. So I'm just going to apply this in the regular, usual spots that I apply concealer, just to highlight and conceal some redness. And then I'm actually going to go ahead and apply a little bit more concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer, and this one is a shade a little bit lighter just to brighten up the under eye a little bit more. And then I'm just going in with that same beauty blender and just blending this all out. To cream contour today, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer, and this one is in the shade Beautiful Bronze. To set my face, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Banana Light Baking Powder, and this one has been my go-to lately. I really do like it. So I'm just going to be applying this underneath my eyes and everywhere else where I had applied concealer. And then for bronzer today, I'm using the Milani Baked Bronzer, and I'm just going to apply this with a big fluffy brush on the high points of my cheeks, my forehead, my chin, you know the deal, everywhere pretty much. To contour my nose today, I'm using the Hoola Benefit Bronzer, and I'm just going to use a Real Techniques, I think this is the blending brush, the crease brush, something like that. And I'm going to use it to bring it down the bridge of my nose and then the front of my nose, just to make my nose appear a little bit shorter than it is. And with the same bronzer, I'm just going to go ahead and apply this into my crease, and this is going to be our crease color. So it's really nice. We're using the same product for a few things on the face, and I really do love this brown bronzer shade. It's just really nice and warm and a great crease color. Finish off the eye look today, I'm gonna go into my BH Cosmetics ShaaanXO the Remix palette, and I'm gonna grab that pinky rosy shade in the palette and just apply this just below the crease and kind of go over into my lid. Then just to brighten up the eye a little bit, I'm going to use that shade Clarity in the palette just to kind of put this over my crease and give us just a little bit more of a brighter look. For highlighter today, I'm going to be using the Hourglass highlighter, and I don't know the shade of this, but I will link it down below for you guys. And then I'm just going to be taking a brush and putting some product onto the brush and then applying it on the normal spots that I apply highlighter. For mascara today, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and this one's amazing. So if you guys need a affordable mascara, or you guys are looking for one that's good in the drugstore, make sure you pick this one up. For falsies today, I'm applying my Kiss lashes in the style 01, and these ones are very pretty. They're very flirty and long, but also very on the natural side, so I really like these. For lip liner, I'm applying my NYX Cosmetics lip liner, and this one is in the shade Brown. This has been my go-to lip liner. I love the consistency, how it applies on my lips, and I use this one for almost all my lip looks. For lips today, I'm applying the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint, and I believe this one is in the shade Uncensored. I love this matte lipstick. It's very moisturizing, not drying, and I love the shade of nude that it has. To brighten up the center of my lips, I'm going to be applying the Milani lipstick in the shade Matte Innocence. Just going to be topping that off with my Almay Goddess Gloss. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this look and found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up down below. And also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.